Hello everyone, my name is Nives, I'm 20 years old and I come from Slovenia. I decided to make a traditional Italian dish, ossobuco. I would like to exemplify my cooking motto from earth to plate and what grows together goes together. I paid special attention to zero waste kitchen, so I made a dish that contains every ingredient and the end there is no waste. I want to use pulled meat, so I put into tortellini and end up with poor sauce. I finished my dish with bone marrow on top of the bone. I hope you enjoy watching my video.